Welcome. My name is Teacher Rogers. I'll be taking you through this unit, and this one is topic 2, business and its environment. One is topic 2 of business studies. And under introduction, we are going to look at some of the purposes of business studies and satisfaction of the customer, and so on and so forth. So, what are some of the main reasons why we engage in business, maybe as a business person or any other person? What are some of the main purposes or purpose that we engage in business? So the main purpose of a business is to make profit. To achieve this, a business needs, number one, to satisfy customers' needs, to reduce the operation cost, and to strive to survive by competing favorably. So next, I want us to look at the types of business activities. And number one, we have extraction. Extraction is simply obtaining goods from their natural setting. For example, we have mining, farming, lumbering. Number two, we have processing of raw materials. That is changing the form of goods without combining it with other goods. Next, we have manufacturing. This one is combining different raw material to come up with one final product. Example, table is made up of wood, glue, nails, and varnish. Next, we have construction. For example, we have the construction of roads, building, and so on and so forth. Then next, we have distribution of goods. This one is spreading of goods from the producers to the consumers. And next, we have trade. Trade is buying and selling of goods with the aim of making profit. And it's normally done with the buyers and traders, or done by traders. Done by traders. The next subtopic, we are going to look at the business environment and their effects. Business environment and their effects. Number one, we have two types of business environment. We have internal business environment and external business environment. But let us start by looking at the internal business environment. And we are saying that it may either be strengths or weaknesses of the business, e.g. skilled manpower. It is also called micro environment, and they include the following. Number one, have business structure. And when we talk about business structure, this is the formal arrangement of the activities carried out at a various level of the organization. A business structure is the formal arrangement of the activities that are carried out at a various level of the organization. A well-laid business structure will lead to success because, number one, each employee will be able to know what is expected of him or her. But two, there will be no conflict or any confusion maybe in business. And then it will also encourage teamwork. And lastly, it will lead to proper control or promote efficiency. Number two, we have resources. A resources or resource is something that can be used to achieve an objective. And the following are some of the resources to our business. We have human resource. This includes the employees in a business that are providing. This includes employees in a business provide human resources. A business with qualified human resource or the business with qualified employees is more likely to do well as compared to those businesses that are the employee and qualified personnel. Number four, we have financial resources. A business with the adequate finance is more likely to do better as compared to that business that lacks such resources. Next, we have physical resources. These are tangible facilities which belong to a business, e.g. buildings, machinery, furniture, and also the stock. We have business structure. Business structure as one of the internal business environment. A business structure arises from the combination of employees' expectation, beliefs, and values within the business. A culture involving employees in decision making always does better. Next is technology. These are the skill and method used in production. A business with the relevant technology is more likely to succeed. And lastly, we have the owners. The owner are the one that provides finance and makes decision concerning operation of business. So next, I want us to look at the external environment, external business environment. External business environment. I want us to look at the external business environment.